In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate contract sending with Pandadoc. This will save you time and streamline your processes, making it easier for you to manage your documents efficiently. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Pandadoc homepage. Simply open up your web browser and navigate to the Pandadoc website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Pandadoc. It's a powerful tool designed to help you manage documents with ease, so knowing where everything is will be a great advantage. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. Locate and click on Settings. Once you have clicked on Settings, scroll to find and select Workspace Settings. The workspace settings are crucial because they allow you to customize your environment and make adjustments that best suit how you or your team works. Next, you'll want to find the API and Integrations option. This section is where you can manage the different integrations Pandadoc offers. Click on API and Integrations. By utilizing integrations, you can extend the functionality of Pandadoc and connect it with other tools and software you already use, enhancing your overall workflow. Within the API and Integrations section, you'll need to identify the Integrations tab. Click on this to explore the array of possibilities available for connecting Pandadoc to your favorite applications. If you're ever unsure about maximizing these integrated features, Pandadoc offers a range of support materials and customer service to guide you through. At this stage, you're ready to choose the method for automating contract sending. There are several options available, but one notable example is ActiveCampaign. Look for it or any other integration that aligns with your needs and click to select. This choice depends on the current software and systems you're using or planning to use. Remember, picking the right integration can lead to a seamless flow of data between platforms, ensuring that your contracts reach their intended recipients without manual intervention. Once you have selected your preferred integration, follow the on-screen prompts to set up the connection. These steps may vary slightly depending on the system you choose, but they typically involve authenticating the connection between Pandadoc and your desired automation tool. And there you have it. You've now set up automated contract sending with Pandadoc. By incorporating these integrations into your daily workflow, you are not only saving valuable time, but also minimizing potential human errors associated with manual data entry or document dispatch. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger team, automating processes like contract sending can make a significant difference in your productivity.